Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Passing a 2D array to a function in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In Python, passing a 2D array, also known as a matrix, to a function involves understanding how Python handles lists and nested lists. This tutorial will guide you through the process of passing a 2D array to a function, explaining the necessary concepts with code examples. Step 1. Understanding 2D arrays in Python. In Python, a 2D array is represented using a list of lists. Each inner list represents a row, and the elements within that list represent the columns. For example, Step 2. Creating a function to accept a 2D array. To pass a 2D array to a function, define the function with parameters that match the structure of the array. For instance, Step 3. Implementing the function. Inside the function, you can access elements of the 2D array using nested loops. Here's an example of a function that prints the elements of a 2D array. Output. Step 4. Passing a 2D array to the function. When calling the function, simply pass the 2D array as an argument. Adjust the function implementation according to your specific requirements, such as performing calculations, modifying the array, or returning a result. Conclusion. Passing a 2D array to a function in Python involves understanding the structure of lists and nested lists. By creating a function with appropriate parameters and using nested loops, you can easily process and manipulate 2D arrays within your Python programs. ChatGPT.